Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S8 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them and click on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere. So click and download this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Over here we need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on Samsung. Following that, choose Receive on an Android and Send on Samsung. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, just send and click on Got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and after that select receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Android, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of Files app, then click Browse in the middle and tap on, in my case, Images. Over here, just look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!